Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to Topstep. So all you need to do is follow these steps. So first make sure you're logged into both accounts in Tradovate and Topstep, and then select Tradovate in Topstep. When you sign up or manage your account in Topstep, choose Tradovate as your trading platform and then get your login details. Check your email from Topstep for your Tradovate username and password. These are different from personal Tradovate account. And then open Tradovate. Open Tradovate on web, desktop, or mobile app. Log in with the Topstep credentials, the credentials that you received through your email from Topstep, and then enter the username and password provided by Topstep. And then the fifth step is to choose the correct environment. This is very important. Combine or Express funded, select simulated demo. Live funded, select live trading. If you choose the wrong one, your account won't load. And then check your account before trading. Make sure the correct Topstep account is selected in Tradovate. And that's it. Here is how you do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.